Third grade, today we are going to be making tints and shades to show a light source on our robot. It'll make it look a little bit more three-dimensional by adding a little bit of form. Remember, when we add value, the lights and darks of a color, it makes it have form, which are elements of art. So today you're going to get a plate with white, blue, and black, and you're going to mix up your tints and use them, and then mix up shades and use those. So you have to decide, where's the light source shining from? Is it the right side or the left side? I'm going to make the right side the light source. So pretend there's a little imaginary light bulb over on this side of his body. What you're going to do is make your tint, which is just adding blue into white. Remember, you are going to use more of the lighter color, so slowly add in the darker color. And then you are going to add that to your painting all along the right side. So on the side of his head would be lighter. On the side of his hand would be lighter. Inside his thumb. Along the edge of his arm. Along his body. If you're not sure where things go, you can always ask 3 before me. Somebody next to you might have an idea. You can say, where do you think my next line of tint should go? And they can help you out. But as long as you stay on one side with that, you should be able to kind of get those reflections. Maybe even up here you'd see a little bit. So you can see already that side is starting to have a little bit more form. Now, importantly, you're going to have your own water today, and you're going to rinse out your brush before you make the shade. So then the lighter version is what you add to it. So I'm going to make it like a navy blue by adding a small dot of black to make my shade of blue. When I believe that I like the color of it, you can then go ahead and go on the other side of the body. Now, you don't have to keep doing the same thing as me. You can do the opposite side, so you don't have to copy me per se. You can have the light source on the other side. Maybe inside his nose would be shaded. Add a little darks inside there so it looks like you can see in. Where his chin is casting a shadow over the top of his neck would be shaded. On this side it might be dark. On his hand, the bottom, the base of him, where it would kind of cast over. I'm kind of thinking about where it's over the top and to the side. Now, if you like this color and you need it for any of the buttons or things, or if you need pure white or pure blue for any of the buttons and accents, you can. The next time we're together, you'll be able to pick whatever colors you want to do all the finishing touches with bright colors like yellows and reds and greens and making mixtures of things. So today we are doing tints and shades to add form to our robots. Thank you so much for listening.